Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lower freezer shelf in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lower freezer shelf. This lower freezer shelf is located at the bottom of the freezer compartment. The most common reason to replace the lower freezer shelf is if it cracks and no longer stays in place or no longer supports the food. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the lower freezer shelf, we simply lift it up. This is the old lower freezer shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The lower freezer shelf goes in. We're going to place this back into these two grooves and lower down the shelf. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.